Right, I'm back from being away and I got myself a new little toy delivered ready. Look at this beauty. So this is the new Milwaukee skill saw. Cool, what a beast. On sale at ITS, 125 quid, down from 300. Bargain. So this, I believe, takes a 235mm blade, when your normal skill saw will take a 190. So this will only cut 55mm deep. This will cut 80mm deep, 85mm deep. But this is the new Milwaukee. It's a bit of a beast. Get this out of the way. Get the blade on. That's nice, I like that. Nice big track. Nice big rail to go on the side. That's smart. Put your measurements on the side here, like so. Very smart. All clips in nice, and then the blade, that ain't all rattling about, you can tie it down to the box. That's forward thinking, if you ask me. So, yeah, 235 Milwaukee blade. Got a bit of weight to it. So this is the Milwaukee CS85 CBE. Don't know if I'll be using it every day, but I've got some 80mm timbers to rip down. And got the table saw. You see that in the background. See the table saw? Wanted to give a nice decent skill saw a go. Get this blade in and we'll give it a try. So that is the 190 blade. This is for a 235 blade. Straight away you can see the difference. Tracks, size of motors. Weight difference. That's about 5 kilos. That's probably nearly 10 kilo, that. Get this bad boy in. So it comes with a tool on the saw. It's always handy. I'm sure one of the guys will throw it in the skip. Never to be seen again, but at least they tried. Comes with the anti-kick guide on it. Right, let's give this a crack then. What we got? What we got here then? And this offcut of old. We got a bit of 9x3. Let's whiz through this. It's meaty enough. Let's screw this down because I don't know how much kick that's got. A solid bench. Right, give this a crack then. Nice. Well, what's nice about this, do your cut, you actually leave the saw on your cut. Don't have much weight to it. That's sturdy. Right, do your cut. Lovely cut. I must say that is the most sturdiest body on a skill saw I've ever used in my life. Once it's down, you know you're getting a square cut. That's decent. So all in all, great bit of kit. Wouldn't use it every day. If you've got a load of furrings cutting to do, big chunky timbers to cut, why it's on offer at ITS, 125 quid, down from 300 quid. Why not just throw one? throw one in the van, throw one in the toolbox. They'll definitely come in handy. Size of that base. Great motor, dripping a load of furrings down, no problem whatsoever. Flew for it. So yeah, get down there. Beautiful.